Hey guys, I haven't made it back in so long. I've been missing, what's it called? I'm gonna try to sing Should Have Said No by Taylor Swift. It's strange to think the songs we used to sing, the smiles, the flowers, everything is gone. Yesterday I found out about you, even now just looking at you feels wrong. You say that you'd take it all back, given one chance. It was a moment of weakness, and you said yes. You should have said no. You should have gone home. You should have thought twice before you let it all go. You should have known the word about what you did with her. Get back to me. And I should have been there in the back of your mind. Should have been asking myself why. You shouldn't be begging for forgiveness at my feet. You should have said no, baby, and your mind still had me.